everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 25th to the 29th of July 2022 on Monday. Nkosi Enzanele butt head over Dorothy and Nkosi tells Zanele she'll have to pick a side. Funani and Nkosi are furious to learn that Faith is getting bail. Molefe is stand when Isaac asked him to pay his 20,000 rand bail on Tuesday. Faith works around Funani to convince Zanele to pay her bail. Isaac puts Molefe in a corner, threatening blackmail unless he's bailed out. As the Pearl prepares to leave, Les realizes that she must come clean about Tiro on Wednesday. Molefe is conflicted when Isaac asks for his help. Zanele supports Faith as Radebe gives her surprising advice. Tiro finally tells Pearl the truth on Thursday. Faith comes back home, but Funani and Nkosi turns their back on her. Ria kicks Isaac out and he finds himself at Bracket's mercy. Molefe persuade a reluctant owner to meet with Isaac on Friday. Ria is furious to learn that she's liable for Isaac's death to Bracketa. Things get awkward when Faith shows up at House of Zwide during an interview with a journalist. Isaac vows to ensure his family is taken care of. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.